Hey guys, welcome back to Market Master Academy. And for all the new people who are new to the channel, on this channel we speak about trading and investing and how to build wealth over time. So yeah, for more content like this, subscribe, like, comment, and share this video so I could keep dropping videos like these for you guys. So as you can see in the title, today we're going to talk about if you should buy Bitcoin or not, right? Many of you have probably heard about Bitcoin before. For the ones who haven't heard about it before, it's actually a decentralized cryptocurrency. So it's a digital currency that people use versus like using dollars and euros or pounds, using paper money. So it's a digital currency, right? So what's going on in the crypto space right now? There's a crypto craze going on right now, and it's topped new records. With Bitcoin's new market evaluation, it's now expected to be worth over $1 trillion, reported by CNBC on February the 19th. So basically what that means is that now is probably the best time for you to invest in Bitcoin. But I'm going to get deeper in this for you guys so you can learn more and know how you could get into investing into Bitcoin, right? So yeah. So Bitcoin actually traded at $54,000 last Friday, hitting new record highs. So yeah, that was last week. And it's currently up over 350% in the last 6 months. So that simply means that if you even put $1 into Bitcoin 6 months ago, your dollar be times 350 right now, right? So you could do the math, right? So yeah, that basically means there's no chance of Bitcoin really going down right now. Most people are investing their earnings into Bitcoin, keeping their money in Bitcoin because it's probably even more safer and it brings more returns than the bank, right? The thing is with Bitcoin, you don't have to be trading it every day like how you trade the markets. You could actually just buy it and keep it in your Coinbase wallet. The link is down below for that. But yeah, you could keep your Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet. And what you could do is just keep your money there. Just like how you save your money at the bank. You just basically just keep your money in that wallet and your money will just be there gaining interest because Bitcoin price is continuously raising, right? So that simply means that to me it's even a better choice than having a bank account, right? I'm not saying to throw all your life savings into Bitcoin, but at the same time, like, you could actually diversify your portfolio and add Bitcoin into your investments, right? Because it's the future, right? Everything is going digital right now, so if you don't catch the wave will probably leave you, right? And then you're going to be wondering, when should I take action into this, or when should I do this? But the time is always now. No matter how small your investment is, it's still an investment, right? You put in an effort to actually take advantage of a trend that's going on right now. And if most top CEOs are investing into Bitcoin right now, that simply means that it's a viable investment, right? I'm actually going to go over that in our next video, talking about the founder of Tesla, Elon Musk. He actually invested a lot of money into Bitcoin, but I'll be going over that into our next video. That simply means that there's a trend going on right now. Most people are keeping their money in Bitcoin, actually keeping their money on a ledger. I'll get into that in the next video as well. But yeah, that simply means that if you keep your money in Bitcoin, your money is just basically gaining interest. As I said before, it gained 350% in just 6 months. Imagine where it will be in the next 5 years, the next 6 years from now, right? If you just invest now and hold some Bitcoin, right? It doesn't hurt. But yeah. Alright, so with Bitcoin being worth over $1 trillion in market value, right? It would surpass most stocks worldwide, right? which simply means that Bitcoin has way more return on investment versus all the other stocks that you might invest in. I'm not saying not to invest in stocks. You should always diversify and not have your eggs in one basket. But at the same time, you shouldn't leave Bitcoin out because Bitcoin is the future. Alright, so you just let me know, right? If Bitcoin actually raised up by 350% in just 6 months, right? The last time I checked, I think the highest return or the highest return you get on your money in a savings account is like 2 point something percent, and that's one of the highest banks. Most of them is 1%. But yeah, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually raised 350%. That simply means that, as I said, keeping your money in Bitcoin versus actual traditional money is actually a good idea to me personally. And the thing is, with the tool that I use called Coinbase, you could actually withdraw money from them anytime you need real cash. So the thing is, with Coinbase, you could buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Yep, all different types of cryptocurrencies. But today we're just speaking about Bitcoin, right? But actually, you could actually just buy and sell on Coinbase, right? So if you bought some Bitcoin, right? Say for example, you bought like $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and you want to probably take $50 out to buy something, or $100 out to buy something. You could just go to Coinbase and just withdraw the money, just like in your bank account. But the only difference is that you might come back to your balance being higher than where you left it. So if you put $1,000, you might come back and see that 1,000 at 1,050, or that 1,000 at 1,100. You never know. Like, that's how Bitcoin works. So you could actually see clear returns for your money by just keeping it there and actually just holding it, you know. But I would advise you, if you're going to invest, seek out some money that you want to invest. Have some money in your bank account. So if you want to invest 5K, 10K, $1,000 into Bitcoin, and actually just hold it until probably like a couple of months, couple of years, depends on your strategy, if you're looking for short-term returns or long-term returns. But if you're looking for long-term returns, hold it for a couple of years, and I'm sure that you'll see decent returns on Bitcoin, due to most of these guys are investing in Bitcoin right now. There's a trend going on, and if you don't catch it, as I said, you're gonna fall back. So I'd advise you guys invest in Bitcoin. And if you guys want to start investing in Bitcoin, I actually have Coinbase below that you could actually subscribe to them, sign up through my link, and you'll actually get $10 or $10 when you sign up. If you sign up through my link, and plus you get free money when you sign up. So you actually get $31 just for signing up and learning about the cryptocurrencies. So that's actually cool. On Coinbase, you can actually have a school in there where you could actually learn more about cryptocurrencies, all different types of cryptocurrencies, because it's not just Bitcoin. There's many other cryptocurrencies, and it gets deeper, way deeper than you guys think. So you guys should actually take the time out, sign up for Coinbase through the link, and let me know. And for the people who aren't in the US, I'm sure there's going to be people who are watching this video who are not from the US. So I'm going to put a next option down below. Or maybe I'll make a next YouTube video about a next option that you could use to invest in Bitcoin if you want. It's called localbitcoins.com. I use that as well. So you could actually buy Bitcoin using multiple different methods. So you could actually use Western Union, you could use Zelle, you could use all different type of payments. So if you want to use that route as well for the people who are outside the US, because Coinbase, I think it's for certain countries, and you need a social security number to invest in Coinbase, right? So if you guys need to invest in Bitcoin, two options is Coinbase and local Bitcoins, right? If you go with one of those two, you'll be cool. And yeah, so the next video, I'm gonna go deeper into Elon Musk and why he invested in Bitcoin, and why did he choose to invest in Bitcoin at this time and investing so much of his money into Bitcoin versus having it into a bank, right? So let's just get into that in the next video. guys, please just like, share, and subscribe. If you guys want to have a chance to win a free mentorship call with me, one-on-one, just talking about like forex, teaching you how to trade the markets, basically trade any instrument at all, because it's the same principle, right? Just comment below, just comment the word invest, and if you comment the word invest, you might have a chance to win. And also just comment stuff that you guys want to learn more about related to trading and investing, and I got you. But yeah, just let me know. And for people who want to invest in my forex course, or my mentorship, or my Discord server, it's gonna be below. So all you have to do is just click the link, and you'll be able to purchase my services, or my products, I should say. But yeah, if you want to get deeper into learning forex and how it works, how trading works, those resources will help you out. But yeah, look out for more videos. As I said, we're going to drop videos once per day, so look out for that. Dropping videos once per day for you guys, letting you guys know more about what's going on in the trading and investing niche, and just helping you guys improve your portfolios and gain more returns. So yeah, have a good one.